Okay, this is a full queen size 100% cotton sheet I got at a Goodwill or somewhere. Simply shabby chic, made in Bahrain, 100% cotton, very soft, with a cute little ruffle edge. Right here, so I'm gonna draw my heart, but I gotta see what my length is.
So it's really sticking up there, so I'm pushing towards it. It seems a little easier, but I do need to loosen it up, pull it up. Get it a little looser so when I pull it.
So it's a heart here, and the rest goes out here. We shall see. The video died on me. So I ended up doing, here's the heart right here. It's in some mermaid with some blues. I did the rainbow all the way down on both sides. So we're gonna let it sit and then open it up later. But you can see what I did. I just painted lines of the rainbow all the way down. And you saw me fold it. That's the heart on this end. I put the mermaid green and some turquoise and some purple. Put all kinds of stuff in. Washed and dried. See the fancy edge, so you can use it on a bed, you can take it to the beach. Super fun. But I think it's really nice just as a tapestry in a bedroom, like I showed with the twinkle lights or something. And if you put it above, you get this cool look. You can put it like a little sunshade.